Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing. And once you've done that, please go down below and leave a like. In this tutorial, we will guide you on how to make big text in Discord using mobile devices. Let's get started. Step 1. Launch the Discord app on your mobile device. Step 2. Locate the server or chat where you want to send a message with big text. For this one, I will use a channel I made for this specific tutorial called Big Text. Tap on the channel you chose. Now, we are on the Big Text channel. Step 3. Tap on the text box at the bottom of the screen to begin typing your message. Step 4. To make your text appear bigger, you can utilize Discord's heading formatting option by using the hash symbol. Step 5. Start your message with one or more hash symbols followed by a space. The number of hash symbols you use determines the heading level and the size of the text. For example, using one hash symbol will create a larger heading than using 2 or 3. Step 6. After adding the hash symbols, type your desired text following the space. I will show you the difference in terms of size when you use more hash symbol. That's it! You have successfully sent a message with big text in Discord on your mobile device using the hash symbol as a heading format. Thank you for watching!